Welcome back, creators! We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, two miter saw brands will be going head to head. We have the CRAFTSMAN Compound Miter Saw and the Milwaukee Compound Miter Saw. Whether you'll be doing woodworking or carpentry projects, you'll surely want the best miter saws available. Miter saws are a huge advantage over circular saws since the blade on a miter saw is always in the same position, allowing for highly accurate repeated cuts. However, there's still a load of things you need to consider when buying one, which is why we have compiled two of our top performers to help you with your purchase. In today's brand wars, we have two of our best going head-to-head, the CRAFTSMAN Compound Miter Saw and the Milwaukee Compound Miter Saw. Both these miter saws have earned a 5-badge rating from our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com, which makes them both worth considering. However, there can only be one winner in today's battle, so be sure to watch until the very end to find out which product would come out on top. If you're interested in the other miter saws that we reviewed, do check out our miter saw review video link below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these miter saws will be going toe-to-toe with would be their speed. When it comes to cutting material, tool speed matters, especially if you're using the miter saw for tough projects. In this case, the higher speed has more advantages. CRAFTSMAN features a robust motor that goes as fast as 3,800 rotations per minute, making it the ideal choice for wall studs, baseboards, and effortless molding. On the other hand, Milwaukee runs up to 3,250 rotations per minute thanks to its direct drive motor that ensures increased power for high-performance cutting. With CRAFTSMAN having a significant advantage in terms of speed, we'll be giving this round to them. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their number of teeth. Cross-cutting on an angle is a common use for miters, and the blade with a greater tooth count does the greatest job cutting against the grain. To ensure that your miter cuts are precise, we recommend investing in a blade with at least 80 teeth. CRAFTSMAN's blade has a total of 80 teeth, making it superior to Milwaukee's 60-tooth blade. With CRAFTSMAN having the advantage when it comes to the number of teeth, we'll be giving them the point in this round. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their blade size. The blade size is one of the most important things you have to consider when selecting a miter saw. Usually, miter saw sizes are 8, 10, and 12 inches, wherein the larger diameter blades allow for longer cuts. CRAFTSMAN has a blade size of 7.25 inches, which is a tad below the average. On the flip side, Milwaukee features a sizable 12-inch blade that offers high accuracy and a longer cut. Milwaukee, with its larger blade, proves to have the upper hand, which is why they snatched the point in this category. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their bevel. A miter saw bevel is excellent for intricate work and is often regarded as a key selling point. In order to adjust the saw's angle, you can spin the saw blade in either direction. CRAFTSMAN is a single bevel miter saw that's only capable of adjusting its position in one direction, to the left or to the right. This allows you to make one-directional bevel cuts. Milwaukee, unlike the competition, is a dual bevel miter saw that adjusts both to the left and right, allowing users to make cuts in any direction. Milwaukee proves to be the clear winner in this category, thanks to its dual bevel feature, which makes it the superior choice. The fifth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their accuracy. The saw's accuracy can be determined using their angle stops or detents that can be found in different positions on the miter saw. Each stop must have a 45-degree cutting range. Some angle stops are given at regular intervals, allowing you to add or subtract an angle from your cut. Aside from that, there are also saws that feature built-in LED lights for maximum accuracy while you operate. CRAFTSMAN has 9 caster miter detent stops for adjustments. It also features built-in LED lights that eliminate shadows to provide you with a clearly visible cut line to follow. Meanwhile, Milwaukee features a miter angle find adjust with detent override, which makes it easy for the user to dial in precise miter angles. It's also worth noting that the miter angle digital readout provides maximum precision of up to 0.1 degrees intervals. Moreover, the unit also features lights that illuminate the workpiece and cut lines from both sides of the blade for maximum visibility. It is given that both these tools have LED lights for maximum visibility. However, Milwaukee's detent override provides it with maximum accuracy, which is why they have the upper hand in this category. The sixth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their dust collection feature. Dust particles and debris can comprise accuracy, so we suggest making sure that the miter saw you'll be purchasing has a dust collection feature. This will at least reduce the debris getting in the way of your cutting view. CRAFTSMAN features a dust bag that can be interchanged with a shop vac for dust removal. Milwaukee, on the other hand, has a dust bag included, while its dust channel captures up to 75% of the dust and debris produced during the cutting process. Both these tools come with a dust bag, but Milwaukee's advantage here is its dust channel, which makes it more efficient in capturing dust. Thanks to this extra feature, Milwaukee snatches the point in the sixth and final round. With the match coming to a close, we go to the scorecards for a decision. The CRAFTSMAN Compound Miter Saw was able to garner a total of just 2 points, with it having the upper hand in terms of speed and the number of teeth on the blade. However, the Milwaukee Compound Miter Saw was able to garner a total of 4 points, with it being superior in terms of dust collection, adjustment accuracy, blade size, and bevel feature, with most of the advantages coming from none other than Milwaukee. We'll be awarding them the gold medal in today's Brand Wars. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the CRAFTSMAN Compound Miter Saw and the Milwaukee Compound Miter Saw has finally ended. If you have any contenders for next Miter Saw face-off, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShopify.com again soon.